Hey guys, today I'm doing an unboxing. Yay! So I'm just gonna stick my hand in there and see what comes out. Let's see. Oh, I guess I can open it. It is... well, this thing. It's cute, but I can't unfold it right now. I don't have enough space. There. So cute. What's in there? Ooh. Handsome anime guy. Who's that guy? Okay. Let's see what else. Ooh, I feel something, and we have chopsticks and a straw. Ooh, what's this? We have Lonely God. What is potato twists? Ooh. Vegetable flavor. Yummy. And we have, oh, I know what this, well, yeah. Cantabile blueberry aid. Last time we got the peach one and it was really good. I hope this one's just as good. Nice. Let's see what else. We get Choco Chum. Choco Bursts. What's that say? Crunchy snack. A little guy. And oh, it's from the Philippines. Cool. I don't think I've ever had snacks from the Philippines. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. Well, anyway, it's from the Philippines. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, hello. Ooh, is this like Thai ramen? Or I guess it would be noodles? Hot and spicy shrimp flavor instant noodles. Cool. I'm assuming this is from Thailand. I'm not sure. Let's see what else. Hey, Japanese candy. I don't know what that says. I can't read the katakana. It's like roru? Something candy. Is that an... I don't know. It's candy. It's like a green apple candy. Cool. Now onto the manga. I can feel... well, it feels like there's two regular size volumes and then like an omnibus size volume. Let's see. Oh, sorry about that. Those are my nosy neighbors. Let's see. First volume is Juni Tyson. Oh my gosh, hell yeah. Okay, I love the anime. It's so good. Exciting. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So I'm not a huge fan of English dubs, but the guy who does the, I forgot his name, but the voice actor who does the voice for the bunny guy is so good. Like, it's so creepy, it's so perfect. I love it. I think his name's like Jerry or something like that. I need to look it up. Anyways, hell yeah. Okay, good. Let's see, next volume is Undead Messiah. Ooh, ooh, by Tokyo Pop. Ooh. By, is it Jin Zarbo? Gin Zarbo? I'm not sure. But I love zombies. They're so much fun. Cool, I'm excited. Cool. Thank you, thank you. And the last one. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna take this one out of the packaging. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. And it is Plunderer. The one that was featured on their website. Plunderer Volume 1. Oh wait, it's Plunderer Count 5,700. I guess that's the title. I don't know. Is it just Plunderer or Count 5,700? I don't know. But this looks really interesting. Ooh, I love that. I like that art style. Can you focus, please? I don't know. Can you? Is it even in focus? I can't tell. Hey, that's me. There it is. That's cool. Cool. Anyways, I am super happy with the manga. I'm so excited. Can't wait. And I'm also really excited that we got like ramen from, I guess it's noodles from like Thailand. And what was the other one? Oh, and then like chips from the Philippines. That's really cool. I like how they kind of branch out. It's not just Japan and Korea. So thank you so much, Manga Spice Cafe. I'm so excited. Thank you. Wait, there's more. I almost missed them. And these are like my favorite thing ever. Yay! I love these umai sticks. They're so good. Except the last time I got a wasabi one, and that was hard. I did not like that one. But what is this? What is that? I don't know. Kian pen? I don't know what that means. Anyway, piri to oishi. And chicken. There's a chicken in there, and then there's this one. Nice, thank you.